how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So on Instagram, it's real easy to hide a photo if you don't want to delete it or you don't want people to see it. It's very simple to do. So go to Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. Just bring yourself to your page. So let's say I want to hide a photo without deleting it. So let's just choose this one. Actually, let's just choose this one here. So from here, what you want to do is go to the three dots at the top right-hand side of that post. And you're going to have a bunch of options here. And all you need to do is go ahead and archive the post. So go ahead and choose archive. And the post disappears. And as you see, it's not on the page anymore. So to get to that point, go to the three bars at the top right-hand corner. And from here, you want to go down to where it says archive. And as you see, I have my stories archived, but stories archive automatically. So what you can do from here is the drop-down menu and go to your post archive. And here is the post that I just archived, that I just hid. And it's here. It's very simple to find. And from here, if you want to unhide it, go ahead and hit those three dots again. And go ahead and you'll be able to unarchive